Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this awesome button for how to make this effect with HTML and CSS. Let's get into the video guys. Come on guys. I'm learning this new things. I will show you how we can implement this awesome how effect for a button. Okay, let's get into our code. I'm opening Visual Studio Code, having that index.html, nothing much. And using live server extension and I'm opening our page. Now let's start our coding. I would like to use inline CSS for this so that we can easily see. I mean internal CSS. Don't think wrong. But always external style sheet is always preferred and it is better. For our small learning purpose, we are I'm going to use the internal. Internal style sheet. Okay. First of all, let us do some changes for our body tag. I'm going to make okay. Hmm, okay. Display of flex. Because we are going to center the items of the body tag, so I'm going to make the element center. So I'm going to do thing like send file, a small thing. Okay, now we are going to center this element. So this here, I'm going to center this to this page here. So let's do that with the help of flexbox. Um, center, so center, okay, height of 100 So this will help us to center our centering our thing. S centered. Let some default classes with some some default class. Now we are going to make some modification to this BTN class. Okay, let's do the changes like text transform to let's uppercase. Let us do capitalize. So that first it will be capitalized. Then we are going to remove text decoration. Yes, it is underlined, so we didn't none. We're going to text side. Okay, then we're going to give some background color. Okay, I don't want to give background. I'll just leave it as white. No issue with this. Let us give the border color of border and pick a solid like let us give green color. Okay, green color. Not full green. Let us use this and we'll pick some nice green color. Awesome, but I think this green is somewhat okay. Reduce opacity. This green is nice. Here, test take this green like border color for this green. Perfect. Let's give some padding of around 1.5, 1 and 2.5 around. Let's see our button looks. Oh, it looks too big. Let us increase the padding. I mean, reduce the padding of top and bottom around 1. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, so like a normal button. Okay, now let's change the color. That's our color. Yes, color to this green color. Yes, green color. Okay. Oh, full green. It's unable to visible, not visible clearly. Okay, let's ever make our body background color of a little bit to okay, somewhat visible. Let us make gray. Let's see. No, purely not visible. Most color combo. So yes, let's stick with this. Not at all visible. Uh, okay, let us change. Make the green darker blue. Okay, this looks nice. darker, somewhat. Okay, now it is somewhat visible to us. Okay, nice. Now let us make the changes to our thing. Okay, let's do guys. Next thing what I'm going to do is let's give an we are going to make some overcut for this. A small overcut for making our button and like overcuts to like cursor. We are changing the cursor to the pointer. So when we hover the mouse, with like a hand icon will show for mouse. Awesome effect. Okay. I would like to make this color some other like us. It's not good looking good. So good. Not blue is okay. I will stick with blue. Okay, some bottom here. Okay, next thing what I'm going to do is we are going to change some thing in after class. This is an pseudo class, and we are going to in pseudo class. We are going to modify some stylings and do some changes here. First of all, I would like to make this our button portion relative because we are going to make some changes for our that before and after class. So we're going to give a portion of relative. So it will be based on the parent. So we don't need to worry about what. Let's give it let's give a background color as background color of red color. We should I give ugly color so that I can do the layer first. Then I can work on the changes. That's really good. That's why I'm usually going with this approach. Okay, button after. Okay, let's okay, my bad. Okay, let's see content. Okay, our content is here. Let us give the width for our thing. Width is equal to 100%. Let's give height also to 100%. Now this will be a full box. Okay, it's based on the content. Then I would like to do position of absolute so that okay, position of absolute so that this will not follow our styling our 100% styling. Then I would like to remove that test which is inside the thing. Okay, now it is on this left side. We are going to center it. Now that is usually by doing on top of 0 on top left 0. This will make it to go to this center position. Now it is correctly. Now what are we going to do is we are going to make changes to this left to 100%. It is minus 100% or it's minus 100%. It's nice. So our this color went outside. Then what are we going to do is we are going to apply this um okay, we are going to make this content and here send file. Where is that? Okay, we are going to apply the same text inside it, send file, and we are going to center the items by applying display flags, and an item center, and this by going to also center. This will center our send file. We use center routing. Now what are we going to do is remove our background color and we are going to keep this background color, this bluish color. Okay, now this is bluish color and we like to change the inside color. So color is equal to white. Now this our color will be white. Okay, when we hover this thing, we are going to make this thing to come to this position. So it will be like an awesome method. Now let's do some transition properties or apparent. So transition all to 15 millisecond and easing out or anything's fine. no problem, or we can do some custom styling for this. Okay, when we're going to change and modify the styles for the button when this thing is over. We are going to do this in say, I mean interval CSS. When the button gets over, we are going to change some things in the button after class. So let's do select the button after class and make some changes. What are we going to do is like we are going to make the left to 0. So that's way our thing will be fixed there. Okay, let's see. Boom, our button is working fine. Then this is visible here. We are going to hide that by property. Yes, we are going to okay overflow. It is overflowing, so we're going to go overflow hide hidden. That is hidden property. So now this is not showing. See, send file. And you hover this button, you get sent file. So awesome. If you want to apply that border radius for the button, you can also apply like border radius of around 50 pixel or anything. It's fine for our style. See, boom. We have made this awesome overcut for our button guys. Thank you for watching this video and hope I have shared what I have learned today. It is helpful for you to create this awesome button for your website guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye.